Hey guys, I want to welcome you to my channel. If this is the very first time you're here, I want to say welcome. Please like, share, and comment and subscribe to the channel. But let's get into this video right here. First thing I'm going to do after I've already put on my cap is just pull out some baby hair, very little bit, not a lot. And once you do that, in my opinion, this is what allows the wig to look a little more natural. I'm using my Got To Be Ultra Glue, the black one. I absolutely like this one here. And I'm putting the glue on the cap. As you can see, I'm putting a very little bit on my head, but mainly it's on the cap itself. And that's going to help the cap stick to my head, as well as help the wig stick to my to the glue. And then I'm taking my Paul Mitchell blow dryer, making sure it's very tacky. That's what you're looking for, it to get tacky, that glue. Then I'm going in with my edge control and just using that on those baby hair you saw me take out first from the cap. And then once I do that, I'm going to take my comb and make my own baby hair with my own hair. And this is part of the reason why it's going to look a little more realistic than what a frontal will, because I'm using my own hair for that. And I'm just putting a little bit of that glue on there just to make sure it's enough. Now I'm going to put on my wig, make sure I position it in the right, the way to my liking, the way I want it, which is just a side part. And then I'm just lining that part up with the glue that I put on that cap, and then I'm going to take my comb and just press down until I'm sure that it is feeling like it's snug and tight, and just fix that baby hair I had put out originally. Just blend it in to the wig to where it looks really nice and natural. And that is pretty much it for that. And I'm going to pull the wig, make sure it's over the cap. Now some people may put glue along the edges, which is fine. You can do that as well along the cap of it. I didn't do that personally because I felt like this method is secure enough for me. But if you want it to be extra secure, you're gonna wear it for a couple of days or something like that, then you can use the glue along the edges of the cap. And here what I'm doing is I'm just making sure everything is lined up. I'm making sure all my little hair is in place. I also have an elastic band on this unit I made, and this is not a frontal. This is just a wig with a closure that I made. If you guys are interested in getting a unit made, just email me. I'll put the information in the description box. If you guys have any questions that you have for me, or any comments you want to put on here for this video, just comment below and I will respond back to it. And that's it, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching my videos. I just got to that 1500 subscriber mark, so I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to cut your notifications on, and you guys have a blessed day. Seems like